morning. So today is our official last day. This is always the hardest time, is leaving home back to the cold, and it's supposed to be so cold tonight. Just the thought of it. Oh man, me and hubby was here talking, and we, just being out here makes you really sit down and think about your life and your dreams and your aspiration. And that's why I said for 2020, guys, get up and do something with your life. If you're not happy about it, get up and fix it. The only person that can fix that is you. Right? It's a new year, new beginning. You have a whole 365 days to make changes in your life. If you are stuck in a job that you dreaded, get up, find something else, do something you love. Life is too short to be sitting around and being miserable and not loving or doing things that you love to do, or being where you love to be, right? Yes, I know getting up and just moving to a different country for some people is a little bit different, but if that's something that you want to do your research. Make some goals. Make it, whether it's a 2-year goal or a 5-year goal from now, put yourself in the position where you can achieve your goal. So maybe you have to sit at that miserable job for a few years. Do that. Save your money and do what you have to do. But yeah, can you believe hubby's up this early and he's out working? Got up early and he's getting some last minute working before we leave. So we finished pack. We just have a few last minute stuff that we gotta put together, guys. So I'm currently doing my face. Don't watch it. I'm doing my makeup, and I'm dressed. As you can see, the girls them are pretty much ready. Mario still has to get ready, and this one is outside taking a shower. So he decided that his last day, he wants to shower outside. So that's what he's doing. So I'm just waiting on Mario has to come and shower, and then we are about to head out. We gotta go into town to get some stuff before we leave. So that is what the flex is for the day. Oh, let me go and finish my makeup because my face looks so off right now. Okay guys, so we are all finished. Everybody is gone but me, as usual. But he's gone into the car. I'm leaving. I'm already missing my home. Everything's all locked up. This is always the saddest part, is saying goodbye. Before it was worse, because when you're in an LDR and you gotta say goodbye to the person you love, that was always the worst. But now it's just not even just that, it's just being home and saying goodbye to a home that you guys built together. That is the worst thing. So we're just locking up. Oh boy, I had to clean up the house and everything, and of course I had to shut off all the fridge and everything like that because there's nobody there. So you have to get all of that done. So it's a bitter sweet moment, but has to be done. So by the time we come back, my puppies them must be big, must be super big. So well, to the cold we end up going. It's exactly what it is. To the cold we end up going. Oh my goodness. So I guess I'll catch you guys when we reach the airport. So hey guys, so we are actually on our way to the airport. Look at all the sad faces in the car. Oh gosh. Yeah, all the sad faces in the car. Why? But it's life though, you just gotta do what you gotta do. nobody wants to go, but we all got to go. So I guess we'll tune back in for when we reach to the airport, and maybe I'll check in, because I don't even know how that rush is gonna be. You know, everybody's heading back because it is back to school time, so everybody and their mother is gonna be heading back now. So we still have not made it to the airport as yet. We are running late as usual, and Mr. Williams is panicking. Such is life. Oh my god. Ow! Is he purposely bumped my head? Oh my goodness. Yeah, we are a little bit late. Not that much, but late enough. So we hope we make it there and it's not crazy busy with the amount of people that's going up. So, and we don't have that much luggage checking anyway, so hopefully it should be smooth. So we'll probably be able to get there, get what we need to get checked in, and sit down and wait. Or it would be nice that we'll be boarding right on time. So we'll see how it goes. So I will tune back in when we reach the airport. Guys, so we finally made it to the airport, and it is busy as heck, like crazy busy. It's coming like Christmas, like when we came down. Just the amount of people trying to head back over. Crowd of everybody that is waiting to go to the airport. Well, take their flight. Look at these kids, they look so miserable. Such a face that they're going in the snow. This one just woke up. Oh, what a bonding moment.
My head's killing me.
Hello. There's the saying goodbye. Yes. So we finally made it through everything. Now we're just going to get to our destination. We're supposed to go what gate? What, 17 or 19? What does it say? Okay, gate 17. So this way. We're this way. Rissa. Okay. Okay, so in here is crazy busy. So we're in the duty-free liquor section. Oh, everybody buying up their liquor, and then we are let's go. We also have, well, food court, as y'all generally see, sports bar. What gate are we going to? 17, so we're way down at the end. So, and they have a little Jamaican cafe place here. Oh boy, sweet Jamaica. Ooh, got some Afro beats going on. Hey,
yeah, them
hey.
know them are going on look on them.
Well, I guess you know, Sophie's hurrying. You want Dairy Queen?
Yes.
The obvious.
say that. You're gonna make me go, you're gonna make me stay for at them to become with me or something. This is your ready shot out about this shirt.
Hey guys, so we made it onto the plane. We're all checked in on this one Saturday. Our agreement was because I got the window seat coming down, so it's his turn.
We don't get the window seat by now.
And of course we got this one beside us. And the girls are over there. As you see, they started on the gadgets already. So we are just waiting to take flight and get out of here. So we will catch you guys in Canada. We're almost home and we stop at Popeyes. It's late, so we stop at Popeyes to get ourselves some food to eat. So that's what we're doing. We're waiting on our dinner. So that is our first meal back home. Our first meal back home is Popeyes. You know what I mean? Yeah, right. So that is what we are waiting on. And then out there in the cold. Okay guys, so we're finally home and jet lag, cold, miserable, and babe has a headache. So we are coming in to say, are you saying good night? Are you saying good night? So we are gonna close the vlog off here guys. We're about to go eat dinner and shower and get ready for bed. Oh, we will talk to y'all in the next one. Peace guys. You're not saying bye. You're not saying bye.
Hello.
Say bye. Mario! Look at messing up my hair. Bye, guys.
First, I know this is really love. Cause baby, me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.